Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we always know that gamers are always a gang that is apart from the regular guys. I'm part of a gamer, not an intense gamer, but I do have my Asus TUF gaming laptop, which I enjoy playing games on. And I used to have desktop PCs, I'd be the one changing the graphics card every 3 months for something better and just playing around with that. And then there's still a lot of guys that do that today. So Steam, of course, is the major player in the gaming world, and it has a lot of statistics on what is used out there. So of course it has statistics on the most popular processors, on the most popular video cards that are used. But what is interesting is it also has statistics on what version of Windows people are using. And here is where it's interesting, and it's normal in my sense because gamers tend to have the latest hardware. Most gamers want to have a PC that performs, that has the latest gear, the latest, greatest things to have the fastest games possible. So when we look at the OS version, the Windows version, so let's make this a little bigger. There we go. OS version. Windows 10, of course, is at 49.4%, and that's a change of almost 1% down. Now you might say, well, Windows 11 must be far. Well, when we click on here, look at that. Windows 11 64 bits is at 46.6%. There's barely 3% between Windows 10 and Windows 11 now in the gamer world with Steam, which means that in that category, I expect that within the end of the year, Windows 11 will be the majority of users, and Windows 10 will now be down. So it tells you that there's a lot of PCs that can run Windows 11. I see a lot of people saying, well, no more than 10-15% of PCs can run Windows 11. According to latest statistics, about 55% of Windows laptops and desktops can upgrade to Windows 11. People just are not doing it because that's a lot of machines. That means we could technically have, in the real world, a 50% Windows 11 market share. Machines are like that. I've seen another stat, somebody throwing a number today saying, the average PC replacement age is 15 years. It's not. According to most statistics, the average PC replacement is 4.5 years. So it tells you an idea that people change their PCs a lot more than you think. And that will eventually show up on Windows 11. So 49.4% for Windows 10, 46.6% for Windows 11. Pretty amazing when you think about it that we are reaching a point of having everything turned to Windows 11. As for the rest, if you look at the gaming, not even 0.1, 0.2%. Linux total 2% here, which is nothing. Mac OS doesn't ring in gamers. Mac isn't a gaming machine at all. They never really had the graphics hardware for it, so it's never really been in a gaming world. There are ways to run on Linux, but still, look at that, 2%. Pretty much nobody wants to go there. Everybody's sticking with Windows. We say it. All your Linux dreamers out there that say, well, oh yeah, no, we're going to go and everybody's going to Linux. It's like, no, it's not. Windows is king and it dominates, and there's a reason for it, and it will continue to do so. So, interesting numbers when we look at it. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.